Hello, welcome again to another edition of Practical English. I am your host, Peter, coming to you by way of Sao Paulo, Brazil, via Canada. And today we are going to be looking at pronunciation, particularly how to pronounce the letter G. There are two basic types of pronunciation for the letter G. One is G, as in girl, and the other is J, as in jazz. There are some rules for this, but there are also exceptions to these rules, so don't look at them as absolutes. But generally, if G is the first letter in a word, or if it is doubled, it takes the G sound, as in girl. If it is followed by the letter E, then it takes the J sound, as in jazz. So let's take a look at some words with the letter G in them and see if you can figure out, based on their spelling, how the letter G is pronounced. Our first word is gate. The letter G is the first letter in this word, so that is G, as in girl. Our second word is foggy. We have a double G here, so this is also G, as in girl. Then we have forget, where the letter G is followed by the letter E, but it is also followed by a consonant. So it's not just followed by an E, it's followed by an E and a T. So that is also the girl sound, G, G. This word is pronounced guide. Again, G is the first letter here, so this is G, G, as in girl. Then we have large. Large is followed by a silent E. So this is J, as in jazz. Then we have village, also where the G is followed by a silent E. So that is J, as in jazz. This word is pronounced engineer, engineer. And that is also the J sound, as in jazz. Our next word is agent, agent, as in jazz, J, J. Then we have guest, guest, that is the girl sound. And our last word here is region, region, that is J, as in jazz. So I hope that cleared up some confusion about pronunciation. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will be back to you just as soon as I am able. Thank you very much.